G'day and welcome back to the Weedy garden. I'm pretty excited today because I'm getting a whole truckload of wood chips delivered from the local tree service in Lismore. I don't have a wood chipper and I need wood chips, so I made a trade for a little film for a truckload of wood chips. At the same time we see it land on the hill here near my garden, I can tell you 5 things that I know about why wood chips are good for my food forest and my vegetable garden. First of all, I want to grow some shrooms. Yeah, some mushrooms. They love to grow in wood chips in the shade. So I'll be able to eat my own mushrooms. See, I'm just about to dump some of this around my citrus orchard because I think they'll like it. In fact, I'm sure they will. It'll keep the weeds away and slowly release nutrients that my citrus orchard is going to need over the next few years. It'll keep the weeds away and slowly release the nutrients that my citrus orchard is going to need over the next few years. Wood chips enrich the soil. Another great advantage is that wood chips keep the moisture in the soil. The sun can't dry it out at all. And the most important reason I use wood chips is that it's a perfect environment for beneficial microorganisms. Yeah. These microorganisms, they help break down the organic matter, improving the soil structure and the nutrient availability for your plants. And once the wood chips are full of mycelium, they'll keep feeding your trees by reaching out to find the nutrients and sending them back to all the trees via the massive collective network of microscopic hairs in there. So, whether you're starting a new food forest or revitalising an existing one, remember, wood chips are your secret ally. Have a nice day, and I'll catch you later.